That's the Snoop app, designed to help you manage your money. But hey, here's the thing, when you sign up, Snoop wants your address. Why? This financial advisor with the smoothest flow needs more than just your spending habits to keep it real with your bank account. Let's break down why Snoop needs your digits, all without dropping any jargon. Snoop's local knowledge, cash money in your area. Imagine Snoop Dogg rolls up to your doorstep, shades low, lays down a fat beat, and starts rapping about deals happening right around the corner. That's the kind of personalized service the Snoop app aims for. By knowing your location, Snoop can show you local discounts, deals, and promotions on things you actually need. Think about it. You might be spending a grip on groceries every week, but Snoop knows there's a farmer's market down the street with fresh produce for way less. Or maybe you're paying an arm and a leg for cable, but Snoop sees there's a new internet provider offering crazy good deals in your neighborhood. Snoop's got the local intel to help you keep more cash in your pocket. Switching banks? Snoop's got your back. Let's face it, switching banks can be a hassle. Filling out forms, transferring accounts, it's enough to make you want to say FO show to the status quo. But Snoop ain't about that. By knowing your address, Snoop can pre-fill some of that tedious switching information, saving you a whole lot of time. Think of it as Snoop giving you the cheat code to a smoother banking transition. Level up your credit score, location, location, location. Ever wonder why your credit score seems like a mystery wrapped in an enigma? There's a whole system behind it, and sometimes your address can play a part. Snoop, with your permission of course, can use your address to match your credit file. This can help you understand your credit score better and even give you tips on how to improve it. Basically, Snoop becomes your credit score sensei, helping you master the financial game. But wait, isn't privacy important? Of course, your privacy is important. Snoop ain't here to track your every move or sell your data to the highest bidder. The Snoop app uses secure technology to keep your information safe. And guess what? You always have control. You can choose to share your address or not, it's totally up to you. So, does Snoop really need your address? Not necessarily. The app can still offer many features without your location. But if you want the full Snoop experience, with personalized deals, easier bank switching, and potentially a boost to your credit score, then sharing your address might be worth it. The final verdict. Snoop app wants your address to give you a more personalized financial experience. It can help you find local deals, navigate bank switching, and even understand your credit score better. But remember, you're always in control of your privacy. So, weigh the benefits and decide what's right for you. Now, go forth and manage your money like a boss. Because with the Snoop app by your side, you might just drop the mic on your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.